So welcome to SAKALAVIDYA educational channel. So today we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2022 previous year question that is based on limits chapter. So first let us write the question, then we shall move to the discussion, question analysis. So JEE Advanced 2022 paper 2, that is previous year question. Chapter is limit chapter. So directly let us move to the question first. After that we shall have a clear discussion on that one. So question: if beta equals to limit x tends to 0 e to the power of x cube minus of 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. So next, plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 times sin x divided by x times sin square x. X times sin square x. Then the value of 6 beta is. So this is the question. Okay, welcome you all. How to solve this problem? See, if beta equals to limit x tends to 0 e power x cube minus of 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of half minus 1 times sin x upon x sin square x. Then the value of 6 beta we need to find out. First let us evaluate the limit of this function, that is beta. After that multiply with 6 so that we get the answer. But in order to solve this problem, so we need to concentrate on these concepts. What are the concepts? Concepts to be applied. So first concept is approximation concept. Sin x is approximately equal to x as x is very negligible, x tends to 0. This is first concept. The second concept is just one of the standard limits. Limit x tends to 0 e to the power of x minus 1 by x equals to 1. So next one of the standard is that limit x tends to 0 1 minus x whole to the power of n minus 1 by x equal to negative n. So with the help of these three concepts, so now this problem easily we can solve it. So let us try to apply these three concepts so to find out beta. After that multiply with 6 so that we'll get this answer. So let us move to the solution now. Solution: beta equals to limit x tends to 0 e power x cube minus of 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 times sin x divided by, that is, x times sin square x. See the first step. What shall we do? In the place of sin x, let us replace x. Since this is the concept, as x approaches to or tends to 0, x is very negligible. In the place of sin x, here write x. So that means now we are going to get, now see, so now we are going to write this equals to limit x tends to 0 e power x cube minus of 1 minus x cube all to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square all to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 times, instead of sin x write down x upon or divided by x times, as sin x approaches to x, the sin square x is approximately equal to x square. So instead of this sin square x, write down x square. So now let us simplify. Then this equals to limit x tends to 0 e power x cube minus of 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 times x divided by x into x square, x cube right. So now let us apply some mathematical manipulation. So what shall we do means, in the numerator, in this numerator, here subtract 1 and add 1. So now this we are going to write now, see. So limit x tends to 0. This we can write e power x cube minus 1 right down and take minus common. So 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 times x. So divided by, we have x cube. So does it make any difference? Just observe. See, here minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, both will cancel. You get the same step itself only. It doesn't actually change its identity. So now we can split into the as a limit of the three functions. So now next step, you see, what do you write? E power x cube minus 1 by x cube you can write, and minus of 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 by x cube you can write, plus 1 minus x square whole to the power of minus 1 x by x cube. X by x cube means cancellation takes place, so that we get 1 minus x square whole to the power of minus 1 by x square you will be getting. After that, apply the limit to each of the function, then try to evaluate using the standard results. So let us proceed for that one. So next, this is equal to, we are going to write limit x tends to 0 e power x cube minus 1 by x cube. Clear? Right. So next, see, minus of this one now. So minus of limit x tends to 0 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 upon x cube. So next one is 1 minus x square whole to the power of minus 1 x by x cube. That becomes 1 minus x square whole to the power of minus 1 by x square. So that means plus limit, right, Srinivas, welcome. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by x square you will write it. So my dear students, remember, as x approaches to 0, x cube also tends to 0. For our convenience, this we can write limit x cube tends to 0, e power x cube minus 1 upon x cube, minus this can be written limit x cube tends to 0, 1 minus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 upon x cube, plus this can be written limit x square tends to 0, clear? 1 minus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 upon x square. Okay, see, we have the standard results. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x equals to 1. And next, one more result we have. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole to the power of n minus 1 by x is negative n. So just substitute these two values. The first one we can write 1, second one using this formula, third one also using this formula. So now we are going to get, you see, this will be 1, this is minus of, this will be minus 1 by 3. Because minus n means 1 by 3, plus this will be minus 1 by 2. So that this becomes minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus into minus 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 1 by 2. This is the value of beta. But we need to find out 6 beta. That means 6 times 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So multiply each of the term or open the bracket. 6 into 1, 6. So now plus 6 into 1 by 3, 2, and minus 6 into 1 by 2, that will be 3. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So this is the required limit. I hope it's very clear. The problem has been solved. So you might have understood. If you don't understand this problem, please comment on the comment section. So if you have any other method also, you can interact with me. So thank you. So we shall meet you in the next session. Bye bye.